Hey guys, welcome to Mad Stuff. This week I've got a very short one for you for two reasons. One, I was on holiday at the weekend and I do these week by week, so I didn't get a chance to film a project or anything like that. But what I was going to do was review a new tool that I bought. Always good for me, love new tool day. And give you the unboxing and review of it. And that tool was going to be a drill guide, and you'll have seen in my last video that I've used this to drill all my holes in all the plywood, try and get them all in the same place. The difficulty with this, or the problem with this is that if you use it or this type of thing too often, you end up opening the hole up too much, your drill doesn't go in straight, you end up with wonky holes, so it's not very good for alignment. And also, a number of weeks ago, in fact back last year, one of my early videos, I made a crib board and some of the holes were wonky where I was trying to drill by hand. Now, I don't have enough space in here for a a pillar drill, so I bought myself a drill guide. But the unboxing and review isn't quite what I expected because the drill guide is not very good. So if you want me to tell you about that, stick around. And remember, while this intro is on, drop me a like and subscribe to my channel. So as I mentioned, bought a new drill guide. The unboxing and the review didn't get very far before I decided it was not very good. So I'm going to run you through a little bit of the unboxing to the point at which I decided to stop filming, and then we'll come back and I'll talk about why buying tools on Amazon probably not always the best idea. So this is the drill guide that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, it's £20 and it is called the best woodworking drill locator in 2021. Drill press machine with high-speed adjustable punch locator, drill template guide for drilling hole. In red. It comes with a number of features, talks about being fully equipped with different modes and functions and different ways you can use it for dowel drilling, that sort of thing. And importantly for me, it comes with an integrated chuck because I need that for attaching to my battery drill. Without that, I can't. The battery drill doesn't have a collar on it, so unlike some electric drills, so you can't use the collar type attachments on most drill guides. So on the face of it, this was the tool that would solve my problems. So I started the unboxing, classic Amazon sending me too much packaging, put that straight in the recycle bin. But in the box was all the parts, and it all came dismantled, so this was a self-assembly. But crucially, there were no instructions in the box, which always set my my expectations of how good this is going to be on edge. So cheap box, cheap looking equipment, and also no instructions. Did come with a separate drill chuck attachment in a box with a few nuts, but what it meant was I just had to get to work trying to work out how it all goes together. So I cracked on and put this thing together. Slightly the wrong approach. I tried to put all the bits together with the spring in first without attaching any of the bits, but as the spring, when you compress it, tries to uncompress, it didn't stay together very long, but eventually I got it together and it was all going well, or seemingly well. I was pretty pleased with my purchase. It felt pretty sturdy, it's made of metal, felt like it was going together well, and I got all the way to putting the drill chuck in, onto the sort of guide which you attach the battery drill to, and then I was tapping the drill guide just to see it onto those vertical poles, and then this happened. That's right, it fell off. But undeterred, I carried on and I got this all the way to the end, but immediately I was suspicious because it looked really flimsy. and turned out that when I attached the drill, it was not very good. So I did a bit of trying to just jimmy it into a position where it would sit solid, but it never got there. So I just down tools and had a little think. So having been thoroughly disappointed with my purchase, I was going to go back online and write an angry review, be the first one to review this terrible product, but instead I thought I'd finish the video. And to do that, I just thought I'd have a look online to see if anyone else had bought this from other places. And it turns out this is actually a knockoff of a Woodpecker's Autoline Drill Guide. Woodpeckers are an American company who do woodworking supplies, and they've got one on their website, but it costs around $350 if you buy it with some attachments, or $250 for just the drill guide on its own. So about 10 times the price, and I imagine about 10 times the quality. Mine didn't even last one drill. I'm very disappointed still, but I won't be paying $350 or $250 for this drill guide. I will go back to the market and search for something a little bit more in my price range. So there you go. I got to the point where the drill chuck fell out. I then thought I'll carry on doing the filming, but it was pointless because this drill guide is not going to work. So I do not recommend this product whatsoever. And one of the main reasons is not necessarily the body. It's got a lot of adjustments on it. The adjustments you can make with an Allen key, and it all pretty much fits into place. The drill guide bit goes up and down, but the main problem, and the one I was trying to solve, is that this chuck would fit into my my battery drill, and my hope was that I'd then be able to drill straight holes, but that bearing is so loose in there, you can maybe just about see it moving, that with the drill on, let me just put the drill on, with the drill on, that is almost worthless. There is so much play in that you could never get a straight hole using this drill guide. So moral of the story here is, don't buy terrible tools, or if you're going to buy terrible tools, be prepared for disappointment like I was. This was 20 quid. It is not worth 20 quid. I will be seeking a refund. So if you've got any better recommendations for drill guides that fit a battery drill, let me know. Really interested in that, or any pillar drill attachments, I'd be really interested. But overall, do not buy this product. That is my recommendation only. If you still want to buy it, feel free to have at it. But like I say, I was supremely disappointed by my product, by my purchase. And that is all I've got for you this week. Because this is so short, I'm not even going to have a beer, because I had quite a lot while I was on holiday this week. So remember, you stay safe, get some stuff done.